we are here with Sherry Benzema, Chief Johnson, Representative Kate, and Representative Fred Gerard, Senator Fred Gerard, I'm sorry, to deliver a check to the Lyons Rural Fire District because of the really good work that they did over the last 2 years. That was kind of outside and extraordinary compared to what they usually do. Sherry, can you kind of give us some background? Just talk a little bit about the work you did over the last 2 years and how it came about.
So we have been staffing additional EMS personnel up in the primarily in the Idana, Detroit area, but also extending services down into the Little North Fork and Gates and Mahama area to actually add additional EMS personnel to the area.
That's fabulous.
Overall. So.
And Representative Kate and Senator Gerard, you were the ones that came up with this money. What made you pick Sherry and her team to send this money?
Well, we prioritized public safety. And the reason we did is the first responders and the fires up here, it was really important.
When we knew that there is such an added burden during the summer months when everyone comes up to recreate at Detroit and hike and all the things, and yet, you know, that's always been a burden, but now you add in all of the recovery efforts and all of just pulling people in a million different directions, and so anything we could do to try to help ease that burden we wanted to do for these communities.
And we're here in Lyons, but Sherry, you and your team, you worked all the way up into Idana.
Yeah, we cover roughly about 1,000 square miles with our ambulance.
And this is a community that, everybody knows was hit so hard. Senator Gerard, you even lost your house in this fire. And so the last 2 years have been really rough. And you didn't get the money to do this extra service. And I just want to say I'm very grateful for doing the extra work, you and your whole team, because this was a time where you were trusting the county, you were trusting your representatives to show up and make sure that you weren't left with a big hole for showing up for your community.
The work was important, right? It's important to support those outlying agencies that are struggling, and we have the capacity to do that right now. So I trust you guys.
Thank you. Well, thank you for your work. Thank you guys.
Well, I think that willingness to work together and try to help out however we can is what makes the recovery effort so promising that we are seeing throughout the canyon, is really just the communities and the agencies coming together to get the job done.
This is a great team here, and we're proud to be a part of it.